everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make chocolate salami. How is the weather in your country? It is super hot and humid in Japan. However, this is a perfect recipe to make in fall-winter season when the weather is cool and comfortable outside. Nowadays, many Japanese people love to make Western-inspired food at home, so this is one of many we make to spice up our table. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Sometimes a regular bar of chocolate doesn't firm up, so you may want to use chocolate for baking just in case. Melt chocolate in a double boiler. Then add warmed whipped cream. Mix well. Add roasted nuts, chocolate chips, and mini marshmallows. Then mix well. Leave to cool, or you can put in the fridge until it starts to get thick. Place it on parchment paper and shape it into a log. Then chill in the fridge until firm. Open and dust with powdered sugar. Then slice into pieces. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. みんな風邪をひいていて、ちょっと息子からね、循環また回ってきて、おいしい、おいしいね。このようにちょっと明治のチョコレートで作るとね、やっぱカカオ率の分かったカカオ率の関係で、柔らかめになっちゃうんだけど、製菓用のねチョコレートで作れば、はい、あげますあげます。好きだね。好きなんだ。待ってね、美味しい。よかったね。マシュマロが多いから食べやすいのかもね。やっぱチョコだけだとビターでね、子供にはちょっと難しいかなと思うけど、まあたまにはいいでしょ。全然チョコとか食べないからね、本当に食べないから。息子の方が結構甘党で、甘いものが結構ね、すぐ口に入れるとくれくれってなるから、娘ならいいけど、息子はね、こんなチョコレートなんてあげる日は来ないようにしなきゃなと思ってます。ぜひ作ってみてください。またね。